That's right. We're headed up north, don't you know, to the Iron Range again for another event. This time it's Trail Jam, put on by
Iron Rock Off-Road.
Iron Rock Off-Road. We have Mara with us.
Hi guys.
And Jimmy and little seat cover. So we'll get back with you when we get there. We're here, West 40, our summer away from home.
Our home away from home.
Our home away from home?
Yes.
Okay. Think you can squeeze through there? Yeah. Out in the park the next morning, we came across this guy who was in a little predicament, and we were worried that he was going to roll over.
Grab the wrecker.
Yeah, let me get the wrecker up here. Well,
you ain't got good trees except you do that one.
I've got a tree saver. I could probably go between those two right there.
Yeah.
Oh. You doing okay in there?
Oh yeah, believe I didn't make it through the day before I got on the video. I mean,
It's
this
okay.
is right away.
It's okay.
Oh, I know.
It's the dirt.
Oh, I know.
Not your driving, just the dirt.
Oh, no, I haven't driven off-road in years, so I'm just getting back into it.
No?
Okay.
I don't think so.
It's on slow-mo, that's why I was asking.
That's not good.
Well,
You're good.
we'll get the record and get you safe, and you'll keep wheeling.
Well, we got a little situation here. So we're gonna try and keep it from rolling over.
You want to put a snatch block up there?
Yeah.
I want a sticker.
Oh, yes, you'll get a sticker. We got Blake and the rental holding in from tipping.
Right there, Brandon. Brandon, turn around. Right there. Yep.
Blake, we're kind of throwing.
It was a crappy one because it's on the wrong side of the tree.
You might be able to get it up to there.
It needs to go right through here.
That's a better one, yeah. Right there. Woo.
And then once you get the ring on, throw it back through here.
Careful. Don't fall.
Right, where's that soft shot button?
Let Eric's got it. I'm gonna lock that in. I gotta get over by Andy.
Yeah.
So we can get up more.
Let Eric finish hooking up and then we'll switch in.
Oh, that's cool.
When you start switching, make sure you got the guts down.
Yeah. Stuffy things. Oh, your birthday this weekend?
It is.
Happy.
Thank you. It's actually on the 20th, but thank you. Holy, wow, that's a big cable. Hey, you see that? Look at that. That is some really big cable. Big cable. Big cable.
Oh yeah, I see the cable.
Yeah, there's one up there too.
As we were cleaning up the recovery gear and putting it back on the wrecker, we got another call for a recovery. We were asked to head over to the bottom of ski jump, which wasn't very far away. So we packed up the gear and headed that direction. As we were headed that direction, we also got word that a man was trapped. At the time, we didn't know any details about the recovery other than a man was trapped. So we rushed over there, and as it turned out, this wasn't a Jeep or a vehicle recovery. It was an ATV recovery. This wasn't the type of recovery that anybody wants to go on. I don't know how many details I can get into on this recovery. We didn't film any of it for obvious reasons, and it is a matter of public record now, so I'm expecting that I can talk a little bit about it. And well, when we arrived on the scene, they had just distracted a man from underneath the ATV. Anyway, as we get there, we find out it's an ATV. It's on an ATV trail. They extracted the man and were hauling him out. And there was also another person, female, who was DOA. The ATV had rolled over and trapped a man and a woman. The accident actually happened the night before, and they were there all night. Unfortunately, that's the reason why you should never wheel alone, or at the very least, let somebody know where you are going and when to expect you back. This was a very tough recovery to do. As it turned out, we were only there to extract the vehicle after the victims were recovered. Like I say, the man lived, or at least presumably lived, and the lady was DOA. We extracted the vehicle after the fact, and had they let somebody know where they were going or when to expect them back, or had they not wheeled alone, this may have been an accident with a happy ending rather than a tragic ending. ATVs are dangerous. They remind me of the old three-wheelers and how dangerous they were. And again, I mean, if you know how to ride them and you take the safety courses and you understand what you're dealing with, they can be a lot of fun. But unfortunately, they are dangerous. And it's scary to think that people still go out and wheel remote areas alone. It's tragic. I mean, presumably this accident happened the evening before, and I would not wish this on anybody, to be stuck out there all night, and it stormed that night, it rained, and to be stuck underneath an ATV, injured, I couldn't imagine. Waiting, hoping that somebody would find you. What we do is dangerous. It's wonderful to be out there in nature and enjoying the views and the places that other people don't get to see. But it also is inherently dangerous. So take precautions, don't wheel alone, let people know where you are, when to expect you back. Take courses, education, on the machine, on, you know, first aid, all of those things. Because when I say be safe out there, I mean be safe. So thanks for watching BSF Recovery Team. Keep wheeling, be safe out there, and maybe we'll get to see you in the woods.